this is the very first time I'm gonna curl my hair. Actually attempt curling my hair. I have never done that. I have no expertise in curling my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna do it with you. So let's see, let's hope it turns out good. And also this is the very first time I'll be using this iconic curling tong. This is 25 mm. This is what I got to curl my hair, and I'm also gonna be reviewing this product, you know, giving you first impression sort of a thing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. And to protect my hair from the heat damage, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. So yeah, this is what I've been using lately and I really like it. You got to go to my Instagram to see, you know, my review on this. But love it. So I'm just going to take that much. That's all that you need basically. So I'm just going to rub it on my palms and go over my, you know, the length of my hair. You don't apply this on the roots, and also I'm not going to be curling all the way till here, so I'm just going to apply it right here. So I'm just going to very nicely, you know, massage it into my hair and apply it so that it can protect my hair from the damage that I'm going to cause them. Alright, so before starting the process, let me just show you guys what my hair looks like before. So this is what we're going to be doing curling on today. So this is very like pretty damn straight hair, and they're also very flat, so I'm hoping to give them babies a little bit of curl today. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I've tied my hair up and all we have is this tiny little section from the back that we are going to be doing first. Alright, so let me show you guys the product first. So this is what we are going to be using today. This is the iconic 25 mm wand. I really like the size. It's pretty good. 25 mm is pretty great. Actually, this is not going to give you a very tight curls, but also not very loose curls. Also, this has 3 buttons right here. It's for, you know, here's where you can see the temperature display. It's going to display the temperature right here. And it also has a plus minus sign and also turning on the button. Alright, so this is what the settings look like. You have a display right here where you can see the temperature. You can turn the temperature up or down, and then this is where you turn the product on. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on with you guys. So this is the I think this is the button right here, and I'm gonna long press, and yeah, this is how it turns out. Now this one is at 180 degrees Celsius, like it is set to 180 degree. I think that's a default setting, but let's see. If I feel like it's getting too hot, I'm just gonna turn it down. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this thin session first, and the tong has already heated, so let's get started. And I'm just gonna turn this down. Actually, now when I see it, I have actually forgotten how to do it. I'm just gonna attempt at doing it first. Let's see if this method turns out fine. So I'm just gonna keep one hair like this. Actually, I fear burning myself. I do not have any gloves right with me, so I don't know how much time should I give it, but we're gonna start with less time and see if it works. That's a pretty decent curl, don't you think? Like for the first ever curl, I think this is fine. I had no expectations whatsoever. It's fine. Let's do some more strands and then we'll see. I'll try to do it in, like, you know, slanting motion, and I'll pull my hair right here. It's actually hot. Okay, I think that should be it. Ooh, that's so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. So this is the curl when we started from the bottom, and this is the curl when we started from the top, and also have more hair. So I like this one better. Let's try doing more like these. Now I'm trying to do this in like a slanting motion, slanting angle, so that the curl is more slanted and curvy. I don't know if that's a word in curling language. Alright. Actually, this heats up really quickly and there's not much time that you need. Oh, that's so cute! Isn't it? So cute! I'm doing a good job at it. review of this beautiful curling tong. Let me just tell you, I love it. You guys see how easy it was for me to curl with it. Like, even though I'm a first time user, and it was really easy. And also one thing I like the most about it, that it is very long, so it did actually curl up really nicely my very long hair, and it could actually curl up till my neck if I wanted to. So this is really good. I like it. I think the size 25 is great. You can, you know, go up or down the size, however your, you know, curling requirements are. Also, I love the body and how it's made. It really feels good, and it feels like a good product, quality product that you have actually spent money on. I do agree that it is more on the expensive side, but let me tell you, this is totally worth it. I think if it's for your hair, it's more like an investment if you're gonna do it like more regularly. And otherwise also, it's, hair care is just like skincare. Do not damage your hair with those cheap tongs. And this is not sponsored, this is just my opinion. I spend my money on this, and I really think it is worth it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and also please comment below and let me know if I made any mistakes, because obviously this was my first time, so I don't know everything. And if there are any, you know, tips and tricks that you would like to share with me and all of us in the comment section below, so make sure you comment below and let us know if there are any tips and tricks. And also please let me know how I did, you know, let me just know whatever your thoughts are on this video. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video.